Good morning guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's vlog or for today's video, we're gonna cook food. We're gonna cook for our friend. It's like 6 people including us. Including me and my husband. So we're gonna start cooking. We're back guys. Okay, we're back. In this recipe, it's Korean short ribs, but this is my version of Korean recipe short ribs. So we're using these meats like ribs, short one, and this is really like meaty, and this is good for this recipe. And we're gonna use this. We're using 1 kilo of this kind of meats, and it's really nice meat. Yes, so we need this 1 kilo, and I have 3 package of this. And we're using also ginger. It's like 3 tablespoons of ginger. Like I already miced. You can chop it. You can whatever you gonna do it. I like this kind. I chop a little bit and punch a little bit, whatever. And then I got also garlic, and I already clean it. 4 garlic, and the main thing is the Spanish onion. You can use yellow onion, you can use white onion, but I use a Spanish onion because that's what's available in the kitchen. And also you can have also a star anise for like aroma. So I just use one because they are it's not good if it's overpowering, so I'm just using one. And then we're using also rice wine vinegar. So this one is also 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, and 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, and also a 1/2 cup of beef broth and 2 cups of water. And then we're gonna cook this for 3 to 4 hours, and slow or medium heat. Okay, so in the pot, this is the one we're using. We're gonna put all the meats that we have, the 1 kilo. There you go, 1 kilo of short ribs. We got a lot. And we put all our ingredients here, like our onions, garlic, ginger, and the star anise. And now we're gonna put our liquid. So guys, I forgot, we're using also brown sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. So we're putting that now. And then now we're gonna do our liquid. We're gonna do our this is our soy sauce, black soy sauce I'm using. And then rice vinegar. I'm just gonna use this oil. Rice vinegar, guys, is really nice for cooking. There you are. And now I have this broth combination with water, so I already preheated that. So this is the one that looks like there. So we're putting that in our meats. Perfect. All right, so we're gonna mix it up. So that is now looks like. So we're gonna boil that for 3 hours. Okay, see you in 3 hours. Okay, and we use also spring onions. We need 1 bunch, and also we need pineapple. So I'm using fresh pineapple. It's a bit because it's a better taste compared to the can, of course. So we need that 1 cup. So for now, guys, we're gonna do this. Dilute the 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and we're gonna put that here in our sauce that it's already getting boiled. This is the stock from the beef, so we're gonna put that to the beef, and so that we have like a kind of gravy creamy sauce. And we're gonna put there also the 1 cup of pineapple chunk, and we're gonna add also salt and pepper for your taste. Okay, seems like our sauce is boiling right now. We're gonna put the cornstarch, and we're gonna stir it. Oh, sorry guys, my camera is not. So I'm gonna put 2 there. So we're gonna keep stirring it until it will be creamy. So now this is the one now. So I already it's nice now, and it's gonna thicker a little bit, so that's only what I want. So now we're gonna put the pineapple over here. So more than a cup pineapple. It's like kind of 2 cups. Because I like pineapple, so I put 2 cups. You can put how many? Like you can put 1 cup, whatever you prepare. I already put the pineapple, so we're just gonna cook that for about 1 minute, and then that sauce is ready. We're gonna pour that into the meats. So after 1 minute, I'm gonna pour this spring onions here. Spring onions. So I'm just gonna put half in it, because I'm gonna use that in the meats for garnishing. There you are. So it's about a second and we're ready. Look at that. That is our sauce for our beef short ribs. Alright, it's ready to pour, honey.
What's that?
We're ready to pour.
Ready to pour.
Yeah,
Over that?
yeah. Oh, sugar. Our sauce to the meats. Here we go. Perfect. There you are. That's our short ribs. And of course, we're gonna add our leftover spring onion. So we're just gonna toast on the top. Up here. And there we are. Easy breezy. Easy breezy. There you go. Alright, thanks for watching. We pour the sauce, we put in the oven. So this is that now looks like, guys. We put in the oven for 30 minutes. It's about 300 degrees. That's what it looks like now, guys. And that is ready. We're having vegetable also, asparagus. There you go, it's not cooked yet. We're gonna steam that later. We're gonna make mashed potato for the dinner too. Perfect. Hi guys, this is our table setting for today's dinner. Simple lang. It's simple. 6 people. There you are. Very simple. There's our kitchen. Thanks for watching. Peace out. This is the beautiful white orchids just bloomed yesterday. Beautiful.